Daddy? Is he in bed? No. Is he at work? Dada? Where'd he go? What do you mean you don't know? You don't know? Daddy, you checking to see if he's in bed? Should we see? Is he in bed? Dada? Nope, he's not in our messy bed, huh? Where else could he be? Is he in the closet? Dilly? Is he in the closet? How about in here? Is he in here? Nope, not in here. Where else could he be? Is he playing boo with you? Maybe. Is he in the closet? Nope, not in the closet. Is he going potty? Potty poo, yeah. Is Daddy going potty poo? He's playing boo? No, he's not. You don't know? I think Daddy went to work. What do you think? Daddy? Yeah, Daddy? Let's go check and see if he's going potty. Should we go see? Well, that's not where the potty is. Is he in here? You think he's in there? That's where he comes from, huh? When he comes home from work, that's where he comes from. Is he in there? You want to open the door? Okay. Ooh, is he out there? No, him not out there, huh? No, Daddy. Where else could Daddy be? Daddy? You don't know? Should we go try to find him somewhere else? Well, you can't see you right there where you are, honey. There you go, that's better. He's not home yet, huh? Daddy's at work. Dilly, do you love your daddy? Dada? Yeah, you love your daddy, huh? You gonna wait right here for him to come home? Oh, you want Kenya to go away? Okay. Okay. What are you doing with your shoes? Shoes? Put your shoes back. Dylan, that's not what I said to do. Thank you. Now put that one back too. Good job, big guy. Come see if Daddy's home yet. Home? Home? Nope, he's not home yet, huh? Home?